Dare to dream, and you shall manifest. Neville Goddard. Welcome, dear friends. Today, I invite you to explore a profound truth that has the power to transform your reality. It's a simple yet profound principle that states, "Ask and you shall receive." This is not merely a promise, it is a law of the universe that governs our existence. To understand this truth deeply, we must first look within ourselves and recognize the incredible power of our thoughts and beliefs. Imagine for a moment that your mind is a garden. In this garden, the seeds you plant represent your desires, hopes, and dreams. Just as a gardener tends to their garden, nurturing and cultivating it, you too must nurture your thoughts and feelings. Every thought is a seed, and every seed has the potential to grow into something magnificent. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of what you plant in your garden. When you desire something, whether it's a better job, a loving relationship, or improved health, what is it that you are truly asking for? Often, we find ourselves focused on the absence of what we want rather than the presence of it. We think about what we lack, which only reinforces that lack in our lives. To truly ask and receive, we must shift our focus from what we don't have to the realization that we can indeed manifest our desires. You see, the mind is a powerful creator. It does not distinguish between what is real and what is imagined. This is where the magic lies. When you vividly imagine the fulfillment of your desire, your subconscious mind begins to accept that vision as reality. You must visualize your wish being fulfilled. Picture it in your mind with clarity and emotion. How would it feel to have what you desire? Allow those feelings to wash over you, filling you with joy and gratitude. This emotional engagement is key to manifesting your desires. Now, you may wonder, what if I don't know exactly what I want? This is a common concern. The truth is, it's okay not to have everything figured out. The important thing is to know what you don't want. Use that knowledge as a stepping stone to clarify your desires. Reflect on your feelings and experiences. Ask yourself, what brings me joy, or what would make my life easier? These reflections will guide you toward your true desires. As you begin to clarify what you want, note to let go of any doubts or fears. Fear is simply a manifestation of your mind that believes it cannot have what it desires. When you feel fear, recognize it for what it is, a fleeting thought. Acknowledge it, but do not let it control your beliefs or actions. Instead, choose to focus on the belief that you are deserving of all the good that life has to offer. Affirm to yourself, I am worthy of my desires. I can have what I ask for. This affirmation acts as a shield against negative thoughts. Many people feel stuck because they believe their current circumstances define them. They think, I am not wealthy, I am not healthy, or I am not loved. These statements are powerful declarations that only serve to reinforce their reality. Instead, begin to declare who you are becoming. Affirm your new identity in the present tense. Say to yourself, I am abundant, I am healthy, or I am surrounded by love. By speaking these truths into existence, you shift your perception and invite those realities into your life. It is also essential to understand the role of gratitude in this process. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that elevates your vibration and aligns you with your desires. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you create a magnetic field that attracts more good into your life. Make it a practice to write down things you are grateful for each day. This simple act shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Note, the universe responds to your vibrational frequency, so radiate the energy of gratitude, and watch how it transforms your experience. So, let us talk about the importance of persistence. Many people give up on their desires after facing initial setbacks or challenges. However, persistence is the key to manifesting your dreams. Just like a seed needs time to germinate, so too do your desires require time to manifest. Keep the faith and remain committed to your vision. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning the circumstances that will lead you to your desires. You may find that challenges arise along your journey. These challenges are not roadblocks, they are opportunities for growth and learning. When faced with difficulties, ask yourself, what is this situation teaching me? Additionally, as you practice this process of asking and receiving, surround yourself with positivity. Seek out inspiring people, uplifting content, and environments that encourage your growth. The energy of those around you can significantly impact your mindset. Engage with others who are also on a path of manifestation and share your dreams with them. Together, you can uplift each other and create a supportive network. If you hold on to limiting beliefs, they will manifest in your life. To break free from these patterns, challenge your thoughts. When a negative thought arises, counter it with a positive affirmation. Replace "I can't" with "I can." Transform "it's too difficult" into "I am capable." By consciously choosing your thoughts, you become the master of your reality. Another powerful tool in your manifesting journey is meditation. Meditation helps you connect with your inner self and quiet the noise of the outside world. In this stillness, you can gain clarity on your desires and visualize them more vividly. Spend time each day in meditation, focusing on your breath and allowing your mind to become calm. As you create this space, invite your desires into your mind's eye, feeling the emotions associated with their fulfillment. This practice strengthens your connection to the universe and amplifies your ability to manifest. As we explore this principle further, it's essential to understand that asking is not just about words. Your feelings, actions, and beliefs also play a critical role. When you ask for something, you must genuinely believe that you deserve it. You must feel it in your heart. This belief will be reflected in your actions. For example, if you desire a new job, take steps toward that goal. Update your resume, network with others, and apply for positions. Your actions must align with your desires, reinforcing the belief that you are worthy of receiving what you ask for. Moreover, be open to the possibilities that the universe may present to you. Sometimes, what you receive may not look exactly like what you envisioned. Trust that the universe knows what is best for you and may deliver your desires in unexpected ways. Stay flexible and remain open to new opportunities. To facilitate a harmonious relationship between your conscious desires and your subconscious beliefs, you can practice affirmations. By regularly affirming your desires in a positive light, you begin to overwrite any limiting beliefs. For example, if you desire financial abundance, repeat affirmations like, "I am a magnet for wealth and opportunities." These statements will begin to seep into your subconscious, shifting your internal narrative and opening the door for your desires to manifest. Another important factor to consider is the significance of clarity in your desires. Often, we may find ourselves with vague wishes, "I want to be happy," or "I want to be successful." While these are admirable intentions, they lack specificity. The universe responds more effectively to clear, defined requests. Take time to articulate what happiness means to you. Does it involve a particular career, relationship, or lifestyle? Define your goals with precision. The clearer your vision, the easier it is for the universe to respond to your requests. As you move forward, maintain a state of inner peace and calm. Stress and anxiety are counterproductive to the process of manifestation. When you feel rushed or desperate, you send out vibrations of lack and neediness, which can repel your desires. Instead, cultivate a sense of trust and relaxation. Engage in practices that bring you calm, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. These activities help center your mind and allow you to resonate with the frequency of abundance. Moreover, it is crucial to take note of the synchronicities that arise in your life. When you begin to ask for and receive, you may notice signs and coincidences that guide you toward your desires. These synchronicities are not mere chance, they are affirmations from the universe that you are on the right path. Pay attention to them, as they often serve as clues or nudges to take certain actions or make particular decisions. In addition, do not underestimate the power of gratitude in this process. While we touched on this earlier, it's worth emphasizing its importance once more. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more of what you appreciate. Make it a daily habit to express gratitude for both the big and small things in your life. This practice not only enhances your emotional well-being but also aligns you with the energy of abundance. In conclusion, as you navigate this path of asking and receiving, remain open to the many possibilities that life offers. The universe is abundant, and your desires are not only achievable but are also meant for you. Maintain a clear vision of what you want, nurture your beliefs, and trust the process. Allow your inner peace and gratitude to guide you, and be receptive to the synchronicities that appear along the way. As we draw this exploration to a close, I urge you to reflect on the insights we've shared. The principle of asking and receiving is not a mere concept, it is a way of life. By adopting this mindset, you open yourself to endless possibilities and opportunities that await you. Your journey toward manifesting your desires begins with your willingness to take action. Start today by clearly defining what you want, and don't hesitate to ask for it. Remember to visualize your desires as already fulfilled, feeling the joy and gratitude that accompany that realization. As you cultivate this practice, I encourage you to share your experiences with others. Inspire those around you by demonstrating the power of this principle in action. When you share your journey, you not only strengthen your own understanding but also uplift others who may be seeking similar truths. If you found value in this discussion, please consider liking this video. Your support not only encourages the creation of more content like this but also helps others discover these vital teachings. Additionally, subscribing to the channel will ensure you stay updated on future insights and lessons. Let's continue this journey together. When you subscribe, you become part of a movement dedicated to personal growth and the exploration of profound truths. Your participation helps spread awareness and fosters an environment where everyone can learn and thrive. Thank you for being here, for engaging with these ideas, and for taking the first step toward your dreams. Your commitment to your personal growth is commendable, and I am honored to have shared this space with you. Together, we can explore the depths of our potential and manifest the lives we desire. Now, let's step into the world with confidence and intention. The universe is waiting to respond to your requests, so go forth with clarity, purpose, and an open heart.